Okay, we are back in the forest with Rosa. We are gonna shoot back in the foresty, jungly area, and yeah, it's much brighter this time, so we're gonna get a lot more light, and yeah, you're gonna just see some epic content.
You feel alive when you don't call when you supposed to, 'cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more. I get a kick from going out when you don't want.
I think we're gonna start shooting here. Rosa, you approve?
I love these. It's so beautiful.
Rub there a bit, belly. That's a bit right. Yes. Perfect. Love that.
I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you, maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you, will you let me? Oh, I hope that someday you will notice every little thing I do for you. Like the time I went to buy you flowers.
You use your 135, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've been getting the bag and I said this one. I saw you at Lake Home. Oh my god. Oh, that's a shot.
It's flying. Okay, we're heading to the beach. Part 1 done, Rosa. All done. First part.
I'm packing.
It's a bad boy right here.
Who is the bad boy? You?
Rosa says I am the bad boy, so I don't disagree. Alright, so as you guys have all had the Pocket 3, what's your thoughts? Pros, cons?
What you in, bro? I mean, mouthy. It's a Pocket 3. This is my first time using it. I think it's a great accessory. It's a great tool to use for vlogging and getting, you know, all footage of all types, sports, fast pace, slow motion, all types. And it really, you know, it works well with any environment that you're going in and what kind of shoots, what kind of videos you want to make. I don't really have a bad feeling with the quality. Yeah, all round, it's well-rounded tool to use, and to be fair, it cancels out a lot of other photography equipment.
There you have it, summed up. Took the words out of my mouth, but it's been a great addition to my kit. My R6 Insta360 Go 2. That's literally my shooting setup now. So yeah, just positives with the 3. Only things I would say is I wish the lens had a sort of lip on it to kind of just stop the filters from sort of slipping off. Other than that, I don't think I find anything else particularly wrong with it. Yeah, do one more. Well, yeah, one more walking.
In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. As we dance, it's you and me tonight. You know we could get undressed, undressed. Look in my eyes and holding me close. I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night, till break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down. I know you won't let me down. You won't let me down. You know you ain't. I know you won't let me down.
Shoot is done. It is bright, so I'm frowning, but we got a successful shoot. It was I'm very happy with what we got. Everyone I think happy. Keith's happy. He's over there washing off his sandals. Adam is still shooting over there, but yeah, it's a great shoot. Another vlog done. Part 2 will be later on, but it has to be a separate vlog. But I'll catch you guys in the next one.